Good day everyone and welcome to the second day of our video tutorial in mathematics. So as I have promised, before nato hisgutan ang second topic, so ato sang dalikatan og lantaw kadyot no ang katong tulo ka exercises I have posted sa una nato nga video. So ang first statement was negative 1/2 is an integer. Now, take note that according to the definition of integer, it is a whole number. And since negative 1/2 is just negative 0.5, so it is a decimal, therefore we cannot consider as negative 1/2 as an integer. So, ang first statement na to is false. Second statement was square root of 81 is a rational number. So square root of 81 is just equal to positive or a negative 9. And these numbers are integers which are under rational numbers. So therefore, statement number 2 is a true statement. Last, we have some negative integers are real numbers. Now, take note of the word sum. Kung atong binisayon nga statement, ang iyang giingon nga, ang ubang negative integers are real numbers. Now, kabaluta nga ang negative integers are all real numbers. So, because of the word sum, this made the statement number 3 false. So, false ang ikatulong statement. Okay? So, for today's video tutorial, we will be talking about how to read and write numbers in words. So, ang uban, kabalunan, no? Naapoy uban nga usahay makalimuta, paunsa or maglibog ta, unsaon ba kaha pagsulat. So, it is very important nga dili lang tataman sa pagbasa o pag-identify sa mga numero. Importante kaayo that we know how to write these numbers into words. So, to begin, according to our number system, we have digits that we use. So that starts with a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these digits, mao ni ang ato ang ginagamit sa atong number system pagsulat sa ato ang numero. So could it be in hundreds, in thousands, or millions in form, kanira mga numero hapulo kabok moro ni atong ginagamit no sa ato ang number system. So kanira gid pud ang ato ang studyhan. Now, remember that when you are going to read a number, magbasa ta gikan sa pinakawala nga digit padulong sa too. Again, we read numbers starting from the leftmost digit padulong dire sa too. And the use of comma that separates periods of a number. When we say periods of a number, that happens in every 3 digit from the right, no? So kada 3 maghihapon tulo ka digit gikan sa tuo padulong sa wala, so kada tulo comma and another 3 digit comma. That means nga ang tulo ka digit no before the comma that emphasize a period of a number. So let's consider this number: 497,548,601,372. Now, take note that these numbers are separated into period. They are grouped according to period. So, natin gitawag nga ones period from the right ha, ones period, thousands period, millions period, billions period, and so on. So, sa pagkakaron for this video tutorial, ato lang paghisigutan taman sa billions period because we did not use man pud siguro ang trillions no sa ato ang kanang daily activity. So di umputa dugoy mo palit nga trillion ang kantidad no. So dili lang sa tataman no sa billions period. Now in every period sa ako anang giingon ganina gikan sa tuo nga bahin sa number. So maghihap ka og tulo ka numbers no gikan sa tuo, diha na magsugod ang isa ka period. Now in determining the place value of the number, magsugod po ta sa pinakatuo padulong dito sa pinakawala. So ang pinakatuo nga number is what we call the ones place, and then tens, hundreds. Now that comprises the ones period. After that one, dito na punta sa thousands period. So we started with 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, 1 billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. So as you can see, there is a pattern no, in every period. Ang ones, tens, hundreds nga term nagbalik-balik siya no. So kada period no ang pinaka rightmost niya nga number is on ones digit, dayon tens digit and hundreds digit. So dili ra ta malibog no kay kanira mang tulong may atong hinumduman and then the periods. Now as I've said, periods are separated with comma. Pag naagali comma, bot pa sa bot, nag-indicate na siya, nagibahin na ang imong numbers into 2, 3, or more periods. Okay? So, let us try to determine the place value of 4, given 114,235. So, when we are going to determine the place value of 4, mag-start na sa pinakatoo. So, ang pinakatoo nga number is 5. That is ones place, no? So, ones, tens, hundreds, hantod nga maabot na ni 4, and 1,000. So, got siya. So, naana tayo 4 karon. So, therefore, the 4 is on the 1,000s place. Okay? So, how about 4,192,035,258? So, again, we'll start with the rightmost. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and 1 billion. So therefore, 4 is in the 1 billions place. Okay, so you try this one. 56,725,408. So you determine the place value of 4. Okay, you start with the rightmost number. Okay, so you're correct. That is in hundreds place. So in writing numbers into words, we should remember these two things. First, the use of comma, which separates the period of a number. So kung dito sa number, jud mismo, na ay comma to separate the period, the same in writing these numbers into words. So dito po sa words, para mailhan nato ang separation sa periods, gamito nato ang comma. Second is the use of hyphen. So we write hyphen between tens and ones numbers, no? And this happens in every period. So there are numbers nga paghatag pa lang daan na anay comma. So dili na nato huna-hunaon kung asa pa ibutang ang comma, no? Pero naapay uban nga numbers nga plain lang siya ihatag nato, so you should determine kung asa nimo ibutang ang imong comma that separates the periods of the number. Example, we have 3,567, so it's good because the comma is placed already. So as you can see, comma is between 1,000s and the hundreds place, no? So between 3 and 5, so we will place the comma here. Now, where are we going to put the hyphen? So atong lantawon nga kaning number na atay duha ka period, no? The thousands period and the ones period, but only in the ones period na atay tens of ones place, no? Kanang na fall sa 60 og 7. So we have 6 for tens and 7 for 1. So diha nato ibutang ang atong hyphen. So we're gonna write this number into words as 3,000, 567. Okay? So let us have 45,204. So we're gonna write this one in these words, no? And we're gonna place the comma that separates the periods after the number 5 on. It's given naman in the problem. So at diha na natin ibutang ang atong comma. So we're going to write the hyphen. So take note, in the ones period, 0 ang atong tens place, 4 ang ato ang ones place. Now, ayan ani ha. Magbutang ta og hyphen pag ang ato ang numbers in every period nag-involve siya og number from 21 to 99. Again, magbutang ta og hyphen sa mga numbers nga nasulod, no? Apil na ang 21 taman dito sa 99. Okay? So as you can see, in the first period, wala nang numero ha nasulod, di ba? So atong lang taon diri sa thousands period. So naatay 45. So diri ta magbutang og hyphen, no? As a 4 as our 10,000s place o 1,000s place ang ato ang 5. So diha nato ibutang ang ato ang hyphen. Okay? So let us have 143,921. So in words, we're gonna write in this way. So take note na that we're gonna place the comma in here between the 1000s and hundreds place. Sibutan na to diha ang comma now. In determining the hyphen, lantan ni mo diri sa ones period, okay? Natay 21. Okay, shoot, no? So dito magbutang taog hyphen. Diri na po sa thousands period na po tay 43. Shoot po siya dito sa atong bracket akong i-mention ganyan from 21 to 99. So, therefore, 10,000s and 1,000s place in thousands period. And then we have the tens and ones in the ones period. So, we're gonna put the hyphen in there. So, this could be written as 143,921 in this way. So let's have 506 now. As you can see, this number only composed of one period, which is the ones period. So wala na kama nga gikinahanglan, and there is no number that is between 21 to 99. So we will just simply write 506. Okay, so I hope you get it. So let us have this a bigger number. We have 1,03,719. So we're gonna write these numbers into these words, and then as you can see, natay duha ka kama, no? Okay, between the 1 million's place and the 100,000's place and the 1,000's place and the 100's place. So diha natin ibutang ang ato ang kama. And since wala tay number in each period nga na-involve og number 21 to 99, so wala tay hyphen nga pagahimo ang diha napita. Okay, so let us practice, no? If na-gets baka ang ato ang lesson karon nga adlaw. So let us try, no, to determine the place value of the digit in 678,001. Okay, you just comment down your answers below, and your answers will serve as your attendance for this session. So you determine now the place value of digit 7 in 678,001. 2, you write 4,036,091 in words. Okay, carry bells ra, no? Di ra kaayo siya bugat. 3, write 33,003 in digits. Okay, so I hope that you learned something again from this video session. So I'll see you on the next video that will be uploaded tomorrow. So God bless and keep safe, everyone. Bye.